you see in this photo is actually a finished assembled product, and it's a fire pit, and it's made out of 14 gauge mild steel, and you cut it out as a flat pattern, and then it folds together to create the shape, and you tack weld it together. Now let's take a look at the actual layout that's folded out. Now there's really two parts there. One of these assemblies actually folds into the base, and the other folds into the rest of the fire pit. Let's take a little bit closer look at the geometry. You know what's really neat about plasma is I can have so much detail. So I can cut these palm trees out. Think about if you had to do that some other way. Now also what they've done here is there's some slots here that are placed on these folds to make it easier to bend. So when you fold it together, it makes it much easier for assembly. All right, now let's just take a look at what a simulation actually looks like. Here's what's going to happen first. The machine's going to move over to the first position, and we're going to probably go around and cut all of those little pierced areas next. And then once those are cut, then we cut the remaining straight line parts, and that gets us to there. And that's all there really is to it. So once we get the material out to the machine, all we really have to do is lay it on the machine, load the program, and run it. And we should get a fire pit. Let's go out to the machine. Boy, this came out really, really nice. You really have to see this up close to really understand how much complexity there is there. You know, something that really stood out with me while I was watching it was how well our torch height control performed, and also how much the smoke was controlled by the water table. You know, here's a piece I also found. This is actually a drop, so a drop is a scrap. This is that little palm tree. The intricacy of the detail is just unbelievable. I just don't know how you make that part any other way. Now, I'm going to turn this over to our Shop Sabre assembly team, and they're going to put it together, and we'll be right back. Well, this came out really, really nice. It's just amazing how this intricate pattern folded up into such a beautiful product. You know, as soon as we're finished here, I'm going to take it outside and build a fire in it and see how it works. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a great time doing this. I wanted to select something to show you that you can make standalone products with a plasma, and I think this worked out really, really well. If you have any questions, you can contact us at shopsabre.com. Thank you for watching. Hey, it works. Holy cow. Man, we need this out here today in Minnesota.